This practice isn't just for better sleep, it's for deep cellular restoration. If you're tired of being tired, this is your turning point. For full effect, please make sure to be undisturbed for the duration of this guided meditation. Namaste. I'm Marcel Gru. Please lie down in a quiet space, arms by your sides, palms up and eyes closed. It all starts with the next breath. Inhale for 5 seconds. And exhale for 6. With this breath, know we are in this together. Go again. Inhale 5 seconds. And exhale 6. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Removing all the obstacles. We want to start with an intention. Positive, concise, personal, in the present tense, emotional, meaningful to you. Something like, I allow myself to deeply rest. My body knows how to heal. I am strong. I feel nurtured. Whatever it is, whatever comes up to you right now, listen into your body without any kind of pressure and try to feel what you need right now, and then formulate a sentence that is fitting for you. And as soon as you found the sentence, repeat it 3 times silently. Good job. Now invite the body into stillness. So try to just be where you are. Relax. In stillness. And slowly bring awareness and focus to the crown of your head. Imagine a soft wave of rest entering here. The very crown of your head. And slowly let this wave pass to your forehead and to your eyes, relaxing all tension behind the eyes. Feel it soften your jaw, your tongue, your throat. The wave of rest flows down your neck into your shoulders. Like honey flowing down, melting down. Slowly let it travel down your arms, through your elbows, wrists, and into your fingers. Each finger relaxing. Each finger relaxing. And slowly take an inhale. And exhale. Come back up to your shoulders. And slowly Let this honey travel down your chest, your heart space. Feel your heartbeat. Feel your lungs. With each breath, relax more, completely at ease. Moving to your belly. Let the breath flow softly and unrestricted into your belly. Feel how your belly is lifting and falling. Then continue down to your pelvis and your hips, heavy and grounded. Let both of your legs start to connect with the honey. Feel the heaviness in your thighs, in your knees, in your calves, and all the way down to your feet. Feel the body as a whole, completely supported. Connecting with your toes, your big toe, your second toe, your third, your fourth, and your fifth. Completely supported your entire being. Every time you exhale, feel free to hum to activate the vagus nerve. Humming like something tastes good. And then just making it longer. You can also try to send the hum to different areas of your body by feeling the vibration in different areas. Now gently start to connect back more and more to your breath. Letting it rest as it is. And with each inhale, you're inviting energy into your cells. And with each exhale, you're releasing tension, exhaustion, and pressure. Inhale, we receive, and exhale, we release. Feel your breath as nourishment. Receiving as you inhale, and as you exhale, releasing. Let your body recalibrate. Just nourish it with this rest right now. Softly let go of your connection to the breath. And imagine a gentle light above your head. soft healing light. It slowly pours down through your crown, spreading through every cell of your body. Slowly pouring down and spreading through every cell of your body. Nurturing your entire being, nurturing every cell. And this light that is spreading knows where your body needs rest. Let it fill your brain and clear the fog of fatigue. Let it coat your nervous system, sending the message: you can let go now. Feel how you are carried by the ground right now, and you're held by the earth, feeling completely safe. It wraps around your organs, your muscles, your bones, spreading this light above your head, spreading more and more through your entire body. Restoring what has been drained, replenishing what has been used. Feel this light restoring all of your body. Let this light stay there. Let it work. Trust in the intelligence of your body. Allow yourself to drift deeper. You are not asleep. You are not awake. You are in a state of healing. Allow the mind to float. There is nowhere to be, nothing to do. Only these truths remain. My body is healing in stillness. My body is healing in stillness. My body is healing in stillness. I deserve to rest. I deserve to rest. I deserve to rest. Fatigue doesn't define me. Fatigue doesn't define me. Fatigue doesn't define me. I am safe, whole, and healing. I am safe, whole, and healing. I am safe, whole, and healing. Slowly let go. Start to move your fingers. Start to move your toes, your elbows, your wrists, your shoulders, your knees, your ankles, your hips. Gently, lovingly return. Bring back your intention that you found in the beginning of this guided meditation. And saying thank you to your intention, honoring your intention. Let this rested state follow you beyond this session. Whenever you're ready, open your eyes. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May there be peace with every being. I'm bowing down in front of you for your discipline. Abundant love and blessings to you. Namaste.